Welcome to Six Sigma Academy. Here is our guide on Six Sigma, a detailed introduction for beginners. In this video, we will explore the principles, methodology, tools, and real-world applications of Six Sigma. By the end, you will understand how to improve processes and drive quality in any organization. Introduction to Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology designed to eliminate defects and improve quality. It was developed by Motorola in the 1980s and is widely used in manufacturing, healthcare, IT, and other industries including government sectors. The focus is on process improvement using structured problem-solving and statistical analysis. Key principles of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is built on 5 key principles. First, focus on the customer. Second, make decisions based on data. Third, continuously improve processes and reduce defects. Fourth, manage proactively by anticipating issues. And fifth, foster collaboration across teams to achieve process excellence. Let's understand the DMAIC methodology. The core of Six Sigma is the DMAIC methodology, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Define, identify the problem and set clear goals. Measure, collect data to understand current performance. Analyze, determine root causes of defects. Improve, implement solutions to address the root causes. Control, monitor the process to sustain improvements over time. In a Six Sigma organization, each role plays a vital part in driving process improvement and business success. At the top, executive leadership champions the overall strategy and provides the direction needed to achieve organizational goals. Master Black Belts act as coaches and mentors, guiding project teams with their expertise. Black Belt lead Six Sigma projects on a full-time basis, taking charge of problem-solving efforts from start to finish. Green Belts contribute their skills part-time, supporting projects while balancing their regular work. Meanwhile, Yellow Belts engage as team members, assisting with process improvements and the basics of Six Sigma along the way. Six Sigma employs a powerful set of tools designed to analyze and enhance business processes effectively. Pareto charts help highlight the most significant causes of problems, allowing teams to focus on what matters most. Fishbone diagrams, also known as cause and effect charts, assist in discovering the root causes behind process issues. Control charts track how processes vary over time, helping maintain stability and performance. Process mapping offers a clear visualization of workflows, making it easier to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Finally, FMEA, or Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, evaluates potential risks and their impacts to prevent defects before they occur. Implementing Six Sigma delivers powerful benefits to organizations. It elevates the quality of products and services by systematically reducing defects. It cuts down process variation, leading to more consistent and reliable outcomes. These improvements drive significant cost savings and boost overall profitability. Six Sigma also enhances customer satisfaction by meeting or exceeding expectations more consistently. Most importantly, it fosters a culture of continuous improvement, empowering teams to keep innovating and raising the bar. Six Sigma finds application across a wide range of industries, delivering impactful results. In manufacturing, it plays a key role in reducing defects and improving production quality. Healthcare organizations use Six Sigma to minimize medical errors and enhance patient care outcomes. In IT and service sectors, it streamlines operations and elevates the customer experience. Meanwhile, Financial institutions apply Six Sigma to optimize workflows and reduce errors in transactions, boosting efficiency and accuracy. For those just starting with Six Sigma, begin by familiarizing yourself with the DMAIC framework, which provides a structured approach to process improvement. Build your knowledge of key Six Sigma tools and basic statistical concepts that support effective decision-making. Engage in real-world projects to gain practical experience and deepen your understanding. Pursuing certifications such as Yellow Belt or Green Belt can formalize your skills and boost your credibility. Above all, develop a mindset centered on data. Always let facts and evidence guide your problem-solving efforts. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to Six Sigma. Your journey towards mastering process excellence begins now. Embrace the power of data-driven solutions to transform your organization. Remember, success comes from consistent improvement and dedication. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future tutorials from Six Sigma Academy. We are excited to support you every step of the way.